some of the things that have to be like stated as statistically significant, I'm just like, okay, I don't think anyone was gonna catch you lying on that one. Like, comfortable and dermatological effects of hot spring bathing provide demonstrative insight into improvement in the rough skin of capybaras. Comparison of facial expression of capybaras before and during bathing. A scoring table of the comfortable status in capybaras. Hold on, we need a closer fucking look at this. Obvious comfortable. Chat. Which capybara comfort rating are you right now, chat? Bottom right, what's this? 1 ear position. 0 ear position. Moderate comfortable. This is you? This is you right here? Peaceful eyelids. Okay, okay. Very significant. That's double asterisk. Double asterisk comfortable. That kind of falls under this column. Okay, okay. It kind of falls under the obvious comfortable column. I scored ear. Name that data viz program. Anyone? Anyone take a stab? Anyone take a stab? What the defaults here look like? No, not R. Not R. It is not Python either. It's not matplotlib. This one's easy, chat. Tableau? I don't think it's Tableau. I don't think it's Tableau. This one's easy because of the whiskers. Yes, it's Excel. Meg Rizdal. It is data science's true programming language. Microsoft Excel. Those are the only plots I make it work and I didn't know. You can tell because of the whiskers. So these whiskers are very much matplotlib, or very much Excel stylization. Peaceful eyelids, ear position, calming signal. Before bathing, so ears, not significant. You can't really tell whether or not they're calm or really calm with just the ears. These others are in UD land. Oh, this is just the more high def? This is just more high def? Was that good? We need to read the methods of comfort. Hot spring bathing experiment.
And here we see the capybara on Newland soaking up the sunshine while in a bath. Some say he is faded than a hoe.
Thank you, David Attenborough. What's the impact factor at scientific reports these days? Scientific reports 4.9. All right, 5. That's strong. That's strong. What's the impact factor of human brain mapping? What's that? What's this one? Is that this? 538? Oh, are you saying this f***ing Nick Wan guy who published in Human Brain Mapping has a sicker paper than the capybara meme people? The hot spring tests were conducted under the cold winter conditions. Optimal skin property was measured in the summer. Changes in the macroscopic findings in the hot spring bath test are shown in figure 3A and B. On day 7, scales were still visible over... What the... This is actually like what happened to the skin? Evaluation of comfort status. The results of comfortable status are shown in figures 4. The comfortable status were evaluated with the criteria of facial expression. I score before bathing was categorized as baseline and moderate comfortable. I score during bathing was more than 3 times higher than before. That is faded than a hoe. Ear score was elevated, were classified moderate to obvious comfortable and significant difference was not observed. Get fucking p-valued, bro. There's a significant positive correlation between eye and ear score. Some of the things that have to be like stated as statistically significant, I'm just like, okay, I don't think anyone was gonna catch you lying on that one. Like, Oh, when we brought in the doggy treats, there was a significant correlation between slobbering and tail wagging. Okay. P-value less than 0.001. Okay, dude. Jesus. The results of comfortable status are shown in my peaceful whiskers, dude. Skeptical retest reliability on this ear position score. That's right. Oh, look, here's very clear graph representation of why this is Excel. You can see Excel defaults here. Some nice Excel defaults. Did they get funding? Let's see. Authors greatly acknowledge many staff of the Zoological Park Safariland, Utah Hot Spring Supply Cooperative, and thus Yamaguchi City office their incredible technical and general support. Well, where the f is the disclosure of how they were funded? Usually it would say somewhere here. It's not like these nature open access articles are completely free. They Pokemon style caught all of the capybaras and then tested them in their hot springs laboratory. More lies footage by big capybara, dude. Okay. How can you even suggest lies with a face like this? He could be peeing. No, this is obvious comfort, dude. He's just like chilling in the tiny capybara pool, hanging out. Obvious comfortable.
Okay.